Hi, today I'm going to share my Aunt Margaret's iced tea recipe. She could make this amazing fruit-filled iced tea that was just wonderful. So we begin with 2 oranges, 2 lemons, 1 lime, and a can of pineapple in its own juice, and Lipton iced tea. So she would put the about a half a cup of the powdered mix with about 2 quarts of water. She'd add the pineapple chunks with the juice included and squeeze in at least 1 lemon, half a lime, and one of the oranges. So she would squeeze the juice into the tea. And as you can see here, and I'm just going to stir it all up. Now, if you want to add additional sugar, which I typically do because I like very sweet tea, I do, but it really is your choice. I added another, what I think about a third of a cup of sugar because I was making a large picture. I put all of my fruit, I've cut it into quarters and placed it into, in this case, a decorative vase that I have. Because I wanted to serve it for a fancy event. And then, so the fruit lines the bottom. And then after I've mixed the tea, I'm adding that tea to the vase because I want all of the fruit to be able to show. And I chill this iced tea and serve it over, tall glasses of ice. And it's this wonderful, fruity, refreshing tea.